Hi, Floyd here. So, managing the heat. Whew, it's getting warm out there. It's a hot summer, but I've been talking to people about making money online and how that's working out for you and so forth. But I also want to share with you some of the companies that I've partnered with, and I'm making money off of them by using their products and sharing them with other people. Which you can pretty much do that with any business that has an affiliate program. In other words, you sell their products, or even a bank. A bank will say that you send them a customer that signs up and gets an account at the bank, you'll get $20 or $50, something like that. So it's like an affiliate program. Just obviously, you're not going to be able to get a flock of people going to a bank to make any sizable amount of money. But if you do come across a product that's working really well for you and solving a lot of problems that you might be having, then there you go. That is the sweet cherry on top of having a business with a product that you're proud of, and that's going to come across in your posture and how you present that. Now, I also have a training program that I've partnered with, and it's revolutionary. I know you hear that a lot from people, but this is a syndicated program approach where large volumes of people are gathering they're gathering together to build their business. So it's great to have a great product that you're proud of, but now you still have to get that to marketing. And these trainings that I'm going to be sharing with you, and I hope by next week or so forth, this has been in beta for over 2 years. I mean, it is pristine. They have hit every possible point that needs to be made when doing network marketing. So be looking forward to that video, and I'll get that link out to you. But in the meanwhile, I wanted to share the programs that I've partnered with and starting to build some momentum with, and I think you might be able to select one of those and maybe solve a problem and start a small business part-time or what have you. So anyways, if you got any value out of this, please like and share and join my channel. See you next time.